Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, AMCA 5th generation fighter program is firmly supported by IAF, not considering other 5th generation offers. In a resolute display of commitment to indigenous defense capabilities, the Indian Air Force has firmly backed the development of India's advanced medium combat aircraft, a cutting-edge 5th generation fighter jet program. Next, Ordinance Factory Chandigarh proposes artificial intelligence enabled manned and unmanned tanks and drones teaming system. The landscape of modern warfare is rapidly evolving, and with it comes the demand for cutting-edge technologies that can enhance the capabilities of mechanized forces. In response to this need, the Ordnance Factory Chandigarh has taken a significant step forward by issuing an expression of interest, that is EOI, for artificial intelligence enabled manned and unmanned tanks and drones teaming system. Next, Indian Navy issues RFI for mine countermeasure vessels. The Indian Navy has taken a significant step towards enhancing its naval capabilities by issuing requests for information to procure 12 mine countermeasure vessels from registered Indian shipyards. This move is part of the Navy's strategic vision to bolster its maritime security and countermeasure of operations. Next, after engine deal, Center clears works on prototypes of Tejas MKII. In a significant move, the Center has waived the conditional clause on the development of the light combat aircraft Mark II, paving the way for work on the 6 prototypes to commence. The decision comes after the recent meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Joe Biden in Washington, D.C., where a crucial agreement was reached to produce the GE 414 aircraft engine in India, addressing the key hurdle in the LCA Mark II project. Next, Sling-shot mechanism used for launch as are rockets not powerful, says former ISRO scientist on Chandrayaan III. As the Chandrayaan III spacecraft, which has covered about 2/3 of the distance of the moon since its launch, successfully entered into the lunar orbit on Saturday, former ISRO scientist Tapan Mishra said the lunar mission was an illustration of the country's breaking new grounds in space exploration. Speaking to ANI in Kolkata, Mishra said, "Our rockets are not very powerful. Once the rockets escape the Earth, they need a velocity of 11.2 km per second to make further progress." Next, Chandrayaan III feeling lunar gravity is now close to moon. India's ambitious third moon mission, Chandrayaan III, was successfully inserted into the lunar orbit on Saturday, the ISRO said. The required maneuver was done from an ISRO facility, the city headquarters space agency said in a tweet. Chandrayaan III has been successfully inserted into the lunar orbit. A retro burning at the Perilune was commanded from the Mission Operation Complex, ISTRAC, that is ISRO Telemetry Tracking and Command Network, Bengaluru. Next, congratulations. First batch of 161 Agniveers become part of Indian Army. The first batch of 164 Agniveers become an integral part of the Indian Army, with a grand passing out parade organized at Bakshi Parade Ground in Jat Regimental Center in Bareilly on Saturday. Chief guest Lieutenant General B.S. Raju interacted with the Agniveers and encouraged them during the passing out parade. He said that the future of Agniveers is bright and everyone has to keep their spirits high. Thank you.